The journey begins with the language of the universe itself, the Fourier Transform formula. Behold the winding machine, wrapping our input signal around the circle to reveal the hidden frequency strengths within. A perfect mathematical definition. Welcome to the beautiful world of Fourier transforms. It all starts here, decomposing a complex signal into simple circles and spirals. Look at how the helix unwinds, revealing the hidden frequencies within. Now, let's sprinkle some magic. With glowing trails and vibrant colors, we see the math come alive in 3D space. It's not just equations, it's a visual symphony of light and logic. What happens when we mix frequencies? Pure joy. These spirographs dance in perfect harmony, a superposition of circular motion creating intricate flower-like patterns. But why stop at lines? Let's bend space itself. Here, the frequencies flow along a torus knot, creating a constrained yet chaotic beauty that loops back on itself endlessly. Taking it to the next level, dimension 5, controlling 5 parameters at once, this Lesage's trajectory explores a hyper-manifold of possibilities. It's a dance of higher dimensions. Dive into chaos. Driven by the famous Lorenz and Rössler attractors, our wave spirals into the unpredictable butterfly effect. Order emerges from chaos, and chaos triggers new order. Behold the complex geometry of the Birkhoff Polytope and Calabi-Yau manifolds. This is where high-level mathematics meets fluid art, shaping the very fabric of our signal space. Now, we explore the surfaces themselves. From the infinite loop of the Möbius strip to the self-intersecting Klein bottle, our wave travels across topological wonders, defying standard direction. See the driver? That little yellow particle is navigating the manifolds, directly controlling the sound waves in real time. A perfect mapping of geometry to algebraic frequency. And finally, the trillion-dollar discovery, the Torus Transformer. We replace the messy web of standard attention with a clean, global spectral pulse. By wrapping our data on a torus, we unlock instant global connection and exponential performance gains, a true revolution in AI architecture.